Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access CapCut Cloud. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your CapCut app. Once you're in the app, you can see this interface. Here, you can see space option right here. Click on it. Now, choose a sign-in option. You can also sign in from your TikTok, Google, and with your email as well as your Facebook account. Now, I'll choose my email to sign into my CapCut Cloud. Now, while signing in from your Gmail, click one of your Gmail you want to sign in with. Here, enter your date of birth and click on the continue button. And just like that, we have successfully accessed our CapCut Cloud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.